How to fix login error in Megabus application. First, you want to make sure that your device is connected to a secure network. Swipe down on a control center and turn on your Wi-Fi or cellular data. By doing so, you shouldn't be facing any internet issues while logging in. However, if you're still facing any other kinds of issues while you're logging into your account, simply tap on the settings. After that, you want to go to your general, click on iPhone storage, and you want to scroll down and navigate yourself to the Megabus application. Click on show all and it will show all the applications available on your device. Tap on Megabus application over here and click on offload app. Tap on offload app again and simply reinstall the application. And what this does is it deletes the application whilst keeping its documents and data. And the next time you open the app, you shouldn't be facing any problems regarding your login. However, if you are still facing any other kinds of problem in the application, you can simply restart your device once and open the app again. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.